All right, so today we're going to be starting on this faux fireplace that we're building. And I got a stack of lumber right here, got some other lumber over here. We're going to start off by just building the base of this. We're going to be making this out of some 1x material because that's what the customer's really wanting, along with some 2x's for a little bit more support in the middle, and so that we have something to attach our upper part of this fireplace to, okay? I know this doesn't make a lot of sense yet, but as you watch this being built out, hopefully it'll make a lot of sense. Stay tuned if you're wanting to see me build this faux fireplace, and maybe it'll help you out when you're trying to build yours on your own also. So let's get after it.
Okay, so I apologize. I did not get very much video recorded for all this. I was just kind of busy trying to get it done. This is right around Christmas, so yeah, I'll quit making excuses and get on with a little bit of explanation here. So right here, what you're seeing is this is the base that has already been put together. We got 1x4s on all four sides, and then as you can see in the center there, we do have a little bit of 2x material that the top of this is going to be sitting on. And this next image here, this is the top of the faux fireplace. This is really the skeleton that our shiplap is going to be attached to. It's not quite done here in this image, but you'll get to see it a little later on. And now we're beginning to attach the shiplap to that skeleton that we have here. I still haven't finished all of the frame yet. I'm still kind of working on my dimensions, getting everything figured out. But it's starting to come together. It's starting to finally look a little bit like a faux fireplace here for us. And now the shiplap is all on. You do see I have a nice little helper here helping me out on this project today, and it's all coming together. I did bring this project outside because it was just a great day. Even though it was December, we had some great weather, so I thought I'd get outside and enjoy it a little bit. So here we go. Let's see what else we got. All right, now my helper's still helping out. We've got all the trim put on, and I have filled in all of the brad nail holes with a bit of spackling, sanded it all down, and it's just about ready for some paint. And here is the completed project. So, painted all the shiplap and all the bottom portion white. The top, which you did not get to see me build, is made out of all 1x material, and it has been stained a dark walnut with that same staining procedure that I've talked about in some of my other videos. A little bit of pre-stain conditioner, some dark walnut stain, and then some polyurethane to finish it off. So, sorry there wasn't a lot of video for this one, just kind of getting things done, enjoying some Christmas time with the family instead of recording, but still wanted to get this out and show you guys what I made. So, this is it. Thanks for joining, and be sure and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, or even if you didn't. I'd still appreciate those things. That'd be awesome, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.